It might be all right.
All right, so these are the 24 by 10, I believe, plus 10 offset for the box Chevy. The wheels got some issues. I think they're 255 30 24 tires. I don't think these are gonna be the permanent wheels, but for the price I got them for, I couldn't buy a set of 15-inch, a used pair of 15 by 8 with tires on them. So tires in good shape and everything. For the price I got them for, couldn't turn them down. And if I spend a little bit to get these lips fixed, I shouldn't have any problem getting a good price for these or trading them for a set of 22s. So it's a game plan to the madness, but at least these be some tires that they can sit on and just roll around on for a little bit. Whew.
All right, y'all. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I ain't never been one to do a lot of talking, so let's get this one side thrown on, and let's see how it looks, and let's see how it fits. So should be pretty simple. Shouldn't be nothing hard. Knock this out real quick. Shouldn't be no big task. These little 14s. These the same size. These the same size as my trailer wheels. And we get to look at this frame rail, the full link and all that stuff while we under here too. All right, so these Camaro wheels, these wheels came off of a Camaro, like a 2014 Camaro. So they should be the same bolt pattern. Yeah, I don't think this is up high enough. Is it? Nope. I don't know if I can get this thing up high enough. Man, this thing gonna sit up high. I'm not a big fan of my stuff sitting up high at all. All right. Well, at least it seems like they're the same look pattern. So I'm further than what I was with the last wheels. Now I don't know if I can get these lugs tight. These lug holes looked way bigger than this. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think these gonna fit. The offset looks a little too aggressive to clear these fenders. Hope that'll be good enough for it just to sit on there. Then we gotta get some different lugs. The holes on these jokers look way bigger. Man, these wheels are big as all get out. I just want to see how they fit. If they fit. I just want to see how they look. If they fit, how they fit. The back ain't looking too great. The front looks fine. The back, not so much. For those of y'all who skipped ahead, these are 24 by 10 plus 10 offset. These wheels big as hell, y'all. So actually, the back, oh, it's gonna hit. The front, surprisingly, should be fine. So how the car's sitting right there in the front is how I would want it to sit. That's perfect. That height on the front is perfect. Seems like everything should be fine. Really could come out a little bit more if you're doing like an import style fitment, but that's good enough. That actually looks really good. The rear is gonna clear, but I'm gonna have to do some trimming up in here because this height in the back doesn't look bad, but it needs to come down about 1 inch or so. I don't like my stuff high, but it picked up like hella ground clearance. But yeah, the front ride height will be good. Well, actually the front might actually come out some more because the bottom lug nut is not tight, but the rear height has to come down. I can't ride that high, like at least another inch for sure. But that looks pretty good. That's promising. That looks better than what I thought. That might be enough tire. It might not. I don't know. These big cars, these big heavy wheels, and not having enough sidewall. But I mean, like it's not gonna have that much camber in the front. But you can tell how much bigger these wheels are from how the car's leaning. Yeah, but that look all right. I do like these wheels on this car. So I mean, that's all I got for y'all today. That's all I got. I ain't got nothing else for you. I just want to see if they fit. I want to see how the fitment was on them and if it was gonna be a problem running these wheels. And I don't think it is. I don't think it is at all. So I had my mind set on going 22s, but I might be going 4s. I might be sticking with these wheels. But it's definitely gonna look a lot better when I do the rear disc brake conversion and get those drums off of there. And when I get the wheel wood, and for all y'all black people, it's not wildwood. There's no D. It's not W-I-L-D. It's W-I-L. Wheel. Wheel wood. Say it with me, guys. Wheel wood. Like wood will do it, wheel would do it. Wheel wood, not wild wood. Wheel wood. So I have the 2 piston stock replacement wheel wood rotors coming. So it's gonna be the stock style rotors, but going from the 1 piston to a 2 piston. So it should still fit behind a 15-inch wheel if I decide to go with a 15-inch wheel. But it should give a little bit better stopping power, having 1 more piston, and it's gonna look better. So I'll be ordering the rear kit, the rear disc conversion kit soon. The one I'm looking at does not come with the rear brake lines. So I need to figure out what rear brake lines I need for the rear disc brake conversion. So yeah, that's all I got for you. This might be all right. It might be all right. All right, like always, think, build, enjoy. Peace.